Are casino VIP programs just another pyramid scheme? Or is it genuinely worth it to climb aboard the VIP Express? Hi guys, I'm Eric from Canada Casino. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. These days, VIP loyalty programs appear to be everywhere. The grocery store, your favorite burger joint, or even at the local Tim Hortons. And now, you can also find them at your favorite online casinos. Casino VIP programs work the same as they do everywhere else, and are generally based on a point system where players can level up. The more you play, the more points you accumulate, and the higher your level. But there are 4 things we recommend you check out before you choose a casino VIP program. Number 1, make sure you want the prizes the casino is offering. Some will give products rather than cashback or reload bonuses, so make sure the ultimate goals are something you genuinely want. Number 2, to level up, you'll need to play a minimum amount of money, sometimes even per month. This requires you to be comfortable with the amount you spend. You should be rewarded on your loyalty without having to push yourself too hard, right? Number 3, not all games accumulate the same amount of points. Slot games usually give more points than table games, and some casinos do not even offer points for live dealer games. That difference is huge. Take this into consideration. And finally, number 4, check how long the points are valid for. You can usually use them anywhere from 1 to 6 months before you drop down a level. So, where can you learn more about casino VIP programs? Easy. Visit canadacasino.ca. We have everything you need to know about VIP programs, tips, bonuses, and the latest offers for Canadians. Check the link below. So now you have your points and you're leveling up. What do you do with your points now? Let's talk about prizes and benefits. Of course, not all VIP programs give you the same rewards. This will highly depend on how high your level is. The typical prizes include reload bonuses, free spins, branded merchandise, sometimes even cashbacks, and if you're a very VIP, you could get hotel nights, travel credit, gift cards, tailored prizes, and even some special star-studded events organized just for VVIPs. Not bad, huh?
Where do I sign up?
But understand that those last prizes would require a lot of gameplay. So, as always, be sure to play responsibly.
I'm responsible!
The goal of these programs is to treat you like the VIP you are, so you'll be able to jump the queues in customer support or receive your very own personal account manager. Your withdrawals will be faster, and any thresholds for taking out large sums of money will be lifted. So ultimately, are VIP programs worth it for Canadians? If you're already playing on the same casinos all the time, and the programs don't require you to change your playing habits too much, then sure, you might as well sign up. However, if you only play occasionally and often change casinos, you won't really be in the position to take much advantage of the benefits of these VIP programs. If VIP programs sound like something you want to try, head on over to canadacasino.ca and check out some of our reviews and exclusive bonuses on offer from our top casinos. And of course, subscribe and watch our other videos that give you tips and insights into online casinos. See you next time and play responsibly.